close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So guys, I'm back you guys. I know you have missed me a lot. Thank you for always being there for me, guys. For those who came to my DM to ask me what happened, I know it has been a minute, you guys. A lot has happened. I've gone through depression. It has affected a lot of things, guys. It has affected my content, my marriage. A lot of things has happened. So, guys, and yes, we have a new baby in the house. You guys, I was pregnant for that year. So, yeah, and we have a baby in the house. So, guys, you can now guess where the depression was coming from. I felt like I'm not enough. I felt like I'm not delivering enough that I needed to deliver. So I decided, let me take a break, and then I'll come back after I give birth. So guys, it has been a minute. It has been a minute. The baby is big now, and as you can see, her sister is holding her. Yeah, it's her again. So yeah, I'm happy she's here. And then you guys, so today, let me not talk a lot because I miss. Today I want to do some cleaning, and yeah, I think it's going to be like 2 days, 3 days, doing just random cleanings in the house. And so let's catch up, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, I recently moved from the house I was living at. So we are in a new house. I'm trying to clean the bathroom, you guys. It was looking so bad. Was vile nilihamia, I just washed it juju, but right now I'm deep cleaning it. And yeah, so if you're seeing strange views in this house, know that we are in another house, and I'm trying even to arrange it another time because I had arranged it a day earlier. So nikiona kitu ijakaa vizuri, I'm going to rearrange it. So don't worry, we are in a new house. Yeah guys, I don't know what I'm saying, but keep enjoying the video.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Feel
So guys, as you can see, the washroom is clean, and I love the fact that this washroom has a touch of black, gray, and white. You guys, isn't it beautiful? So guys, that was it. I'm done with the bathroom. Let's go to the kitchen.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So guys, I told you are coming to the kitchen to clean. Nope. Yesterday I left my kitchen clean before I went to bed. So I'm just preparing breakfast for me and my girl, and I have to eat some. Cause when you're breastfeeding, I don't know, I don't know. You feel like a pregnant woman. You eat a lot of time. So guys, I want to show you how I rearranged the sitting room again. So these mirrors went there. Utu to picture, they were on the console table, so I had to remove them there and hang them around the TV. And yes, we finished the breakfast. Now let's clean the bedroom.
hold me close till
Guys, this is the mirror that I was telling you guys. I had put it in the bedroom for now. Then I came and hung it. So I wanted to get the hooks from the supermarket. That's why I delayed. And you had seen me put the pictures on the console table. That's what I was trying to explain. Right now we have finished. I have hung the other mirrors, and the house is looking so cute. And the fact that this house has a blue lightning on the wall, I just love it. So I hung the mirror on the wall, and this is how the console table looks like. Yeah, like that. And I'm holding the baby. She's crying, you guys. She doesn't want me to put her down, and the other girl is hiding over there. Nilikuwa nimwambia buka hapo kidogo nichukue video uishe. Life of a content creator. Like, we go through so much, you guys. If I tell you guys I'm coming out from depression, I've not healed yet, but I'm learning how to heal. You guys, you won't believe it. This is me the next day. Look at the hair. Look at my bonnet, you guys. It's the proof that I just woken up. I've not done anything. I've just woken my other daughter to go to school, and then nikaanza sasa kujitengenezea nyumba. This is the next day. So I didn't show you how the other day I had cleaned my bedroom. So this is me showing you. So na mwiko, msishindo mwiko ni ya kazi gani. Mmeona mwiko ni ya kazi gani? So this bed, putting in the sheets, hey, it's very difficult, you guys. So now I'm taking breakfast. This is cocoa, you guys. The doctor advised me I should be taking cocoa because of the milk. It generates a lot of milk. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Then let me go and take breakfast, a small breakfast, before I take a bigger one, you guys. Okay, now I promise you, when Cecil was going to school, I had taken another breakfast. Mi sijui kitambi imetokea, but I don't care. I know it's just for a while for this baby. She's breastfeeding. I know it's just for a while, then I'll recover. Nirudisha mwili yangu. It's called baby fat. So let's do this. Today we are washing the utensils in the morning, but they are not so many. So I hope you enjoy watching. Keep on watching, and if you have liked this video so far, please hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know which is your favorite part that you have enjoyed. Do you want to see more content like this? Do you want to see the hair videos? And you guys, I'm going to do some hair videos, but right now I've plaited my hair, so you have to see these videos coming, and the makeup videos.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hey guys, so today is another day, and I want to cook lunch, but first of all, I don't have jahe. I want to cook what jahe called in English. I don't know. So I want to go outside and shop for jahe, cooked jahe. So yeah, that's what I'm eating. As you all know, I'm breastfeeding. I'm supposed to eat a lot of jahe because of the milk. Then when I come, I'm going to cook even the porridge. Yeah, and I'm looking all dirty and whatever because of the baby, so I'm going to brush my teeth. Today I woke up, I didn't brush my teeth because time ilikuwa inanikimbiza. The other girl was going to school, so yeah, so I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, then head out and buy some jahi. So my kitchen is clean right now. I woke up so early, I cleaned my kitchen, I rearranged. Squeezing na arrange kila kitu, kila mahali natoa. Leo naweka hapa, natoa hapa, naweka hapa. The next day naona haifai hapo. So yeah, so let's go and shop for njahe.
Here we go. I see the
Sasa njahe imeiva, njahe sawa. Asante.
there's so many things that I keep in my mind. Like the feelings, there's a reason why the emotions I built up inside you. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy. Maybe if it stays, we can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so free. No, 'cause I'm feeling so free. No, 'cause I'm feeling so, no, 'cause I'm feeling so, no, 'cause I'm feeling so. Like you, be strong to all the powers of the soul. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one.
So guys, the food is ready, and this is how I prepare my njahe. I still don't know how to call the njahes in English, so bear with me. So it was a total slap with you guys. And the rest guys, hiyo kutokana kamoja kamoja, I know you'll ask me in the comment section. It's called sunrise, so msiseme sijawa plug. So let me enjoy my lunch. So guys, let me enjoy my food as I watch a movie, and I think that is the end of the video. I hope guys you've loved the video. If you do, please like, share, and don't forget to comment down below. And tell me what kind of content you want to see me do, and what else. I missed you guys very very much. So now we are back, so see you on my next one. Bye. I'm so distracted with that movie. So see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, please, if you haven't.
Here we go. I see the light.